Hey everyone, I'm Jan.
And I am Onur. Together we are founders of Needle. We believe AI is here to amplify your skills and not to replace you, so we built Needle for it. We think that you should create at least 10 AI agents working for you so that you 10x your productivity.
So we have built Needle in a way to make it as easy as possible for anybody to automate any process. So we have built Needle in a no-code solution fashion so that you can set up your workflows already within minutes. And I'm going to show you now how you can set up your first workflow just right now.
So now I'm within Needle and I can choose of one of our templates. I say burst templates and I choose the get daily email summary. Now it's going to ask me if I want to configure my connectors. Zack, it changes to green and I'm all set. So I can stay on top of my yesterday's emails every day at 8 AM getting a summary of what's happened yesterday. Let's execute this workflow. Finally, we see this workflow has been successfully executed and I have just received an email right now telling me a summary of my yesterday's emails. Now I would like to adjust the workflow. I can just chat with the workflow. So I can chat with the workflow and state that I want to trigger the workflow weekly on Sundays and also just query then also the weekly information. So see now it's stating every Sunday at 8 as well as adjusted the string to say query emails from last week.
As you see, it's very easy to get started on Needle, and I am sure that you already have a few ideas right now in your mind to automate. We want to see everybody becoming a builder on Needle.
So get started with our forever free version and let AI agents work for you.